you ever wondered why your YouTube videos aren't getting the views you deserve in 2025? It might be because of some common myths that creators still believe in. Today, we're busting some of the biggest YouTube myths that could be killing your views. Plus, we'll dive deep into how the YouTube algorithm actually works in 2025 and what really affects your video's reach. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a content creator, a YouTube enthusiast, or just someone who loves understanding how things work behind the scenes, this video is for you. Today, we're tackling most common myths that could be holding your channel back in 2025. Let's break them all down. Let's start with the myth we've all heard. If you keep refreshing your YouTube studio to check your views, likes, or comments, YouTube's algorithm will penalize you, and your video's reach will decrease. Sounds scary, right? But here's the truth. Refreshing YouTube Studio does not affect your video's performance. YouTube's algorithm doesn't track how often you check your analytics. It's designed to focus on viewer behavior, not creator behavior. So, feel free to refresh as much as you want. It won't hurt your video's reach. But while we're here, let's talk about what actually affects your video's performance in 2025. Now, let's bust some other common myths that could be holding your channel back in 2025. Myth number 1. You need to upload daily to succeed. And the truth is, quality over quantity? Focus on creating high-quality content rather than uploading daily. Consistency is important, but not at the expense of quality. Myth number 2. Longer videos always perform better. But the truth is, while longer videos can increase watch time, they only work if the content is engaging. A shorter, well-edited video can outperform a long, boring one. Myth number 3. Subscribers are the key to success. The truth is, while subscribers are important, YouTube prioritizes viewer engagement and watch time. A video with high engagement can perform well even with fewer subscribers. Myth number 4. You should only focus on viral content. But the truth is, viral videos can give you a temporary boost, but building a loyal audience with consistent, niche content is more sustainable in the long run. Myth number 5. Tags don't matter anymore. The truth is, while tags aren't as important as they used to be, they still help YouTube understand your video's context. Use relevant tags, but don't overdo it. Myth number 6. Thumbnails and titles don't matter if the content is good. The truth is, thumbnails and titles are your first impression. Even the best content won't get views if no one clicks on it. Myth number 7. You should delete low-performing videos. Truth, low-performing videos can still attract viewers over time. Deleting them can hurt your channel's overall watch time and SEO. Myth number 8. You need expensive equipment to succeed. Truth, good content trumps fancy equipment. Many successful creators started with just a smartphone and good lighting. Myth number 9. You should only upload at specific times. And the truth is, while uploading at optimal times can help, YouTube's algorithm prioritizes content quality and relevance over upload timing. Myth number 10. Buying views or subscribers helps. But the truth is, fake engagement can get your channel penalized or even banned. Focus on organic growth instead. By avoiding these myths, you can focus on what really matters, creating great content and engaging with your audience. Now that we've busted these myths, let's talk about how the YouTube algorithm actually works in 2025. Here's what matters most. Number 1, click-through rate. How often people click on your video after seeing the thumbnail and title. Number 2, watch time. How long viewers watch your video. Longer watch times signal to YouTube that your content is engaging. Number 3, audience retention. The percentage of your video that viewers watch. Higher retention equals better performance. Number 4, engagement. Likes, comments, shares, and subscribers gain from your video. Number 5, relevance. How well your video matches what viewers are searching for. Number 6, consistency. Regularly uploading high-quality content keeps your channel active and relevant. These factors work together to determine how YouTube ranks and recommends your videos. So instead of worrying about myths, focus on improving these metrics. Here are some actionable tips to help you get the most out of your videos in 2025. Hook viewers early. The first 15 seconds are crucial. Make them count. Use playlists. Organize your videos into playlists to increase watch time. Promote your videos. Share your content on social media and other platforms. Collaborate. Partner with other creators to tap into their audience. Analyze your data. Use YouTube analytics to identify what's working and what's not. Remember, growing on YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, keep improving, and the results will follow. So there you have it. The most common myths that could be killing your views in 2025, and how to avoid them. What do you think about these myths? Have you fallen for any of them? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow creators, and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.